Are you ready to make small changes that will make you feel great, get in better shape, and help the environment at the same time? Today, I'm sharing 10 simple habits that can transform your life and make a real difference. Stay tuned to discover how small changes can lead to big results. Welcome to EcoFit Life. In our last video, we explored the science of habits and how small, manageable changes can lead to big impacts over time. Today, we're taking those concepts further by diving into 10 easy habits that can make you healthier, fitter, and greener. Are you ready to make a positive change for yourself and the environment? Let's get started. Habit number 1. Drink a glass of water every morning. Hydration is crucial for overall health, aiding in digestion, nutrient absorption, and skin health. To make this a habit, place a reusable water bottle by your bedside or keep a glass of water in the fridge. Use triggers like setting an alarm or placing a sticky note on your bathroom mirror. Starting your day with water boosts energy levels, improves concentration, and helps detoxify your body. For added flavor, prepare your water the night before and add a slice of lemon or cucumber. Habit number 2. Use a reusable shopping bag. Reducing plastic waste is key to protecting our environment. Make a habit of bringing your own bag to the store. Keep a few reusable bags in your car, by the front door, or in your work bag so you never forget. This simple habit helps you avoid plastic bags, which are harmful to wildlife and our ecosystems. Shopping sustainably reduces plastic pollution and saves money on bag fees. Fold your reusable bags neatly and store them in a convenient location. And keep a small, foldable bag in your everyday bag for spontaneous shopping. Habit number 3. Eat a healthy breakfast. Starting your day with a nutritious meal boosts your metabolism and provides the energy you need. Include whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Preparing breakfast at home reduces the need for packaged foods, which often come in plastic. A healthy breakfast improves your metabolism, sustains your energy levels, and helps with weight management. Plan your breakfast the night before and include a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Examples include oatmeal with fruits, smoothie bowls, or a savory avocado toast. Habit number 4. Walk or bike for short trips. Instead of driving, choose to walk or bike for errands within 1 or 2 miles. This not only reduces carbon emissions, but also provides great exercise, improving your cardiovascular health and reducing stress. Plan your errands in advance and set aside specific times for walking or biking. Use triggers like seeing your shoes by the door or your bike helmet on the rack. Walking or biking not only improves your cardiovascular health and reduces your carbon footprint, it also lowers your transportation costs. Map out your regular short trips to see which ones you can replace with walking or biking and set reminders on your phone to stay on track. If you're enjoying these tips so far, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on healthy habits and eco-friendly living. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Habit number 5. Practice a morning yoga routine. Yoga helps improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. It's a great way to start your day feeling refreshed and energized. Set up a designated space in your home for yoga and use a non-toxic, eco-friendly yoga mat. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine enhances your overall well-being and reduces stress. Follow a morning yoga routine from a YouTube channel or app and aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes each morning. Habit number 6. Switch to a plant-based meal once a week. Eating plant-based just one day a week can significantly improve your health. Start by choosing a specific day, like Meatless Monday, and plan your meals around it. Research plant-based recipes and stock up on ingredients ahead of time. Plant-based meals can lower the risk of chronic diseases, reduce your carbon footprint, and add variety to your diet. Plan your plant-based meals in advance, explore new recipes online, and experiment with different ingredients like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. Habit number 7. Incorporate a quick home workout into your day. Exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Set aside 15 to 30 minutes for a workout routine that you can do at home. Use minimal equipment like resistance bands or dumbbells to keep it simple and eco-friendly. Home workouts enhance strength, improve cardiovascular health, boost your mood, and aid in weight management. Follow a guided workout from a fitness app or YouTube channel and set a specific time each day for your workout to make it a routine. Habit number 8. Practice mindfulness for a few minutes daily. Taking a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness helps reduce stress and keeps you focused on your goals, including your fitness and eco-friendly habits. Find a quiet spot and dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to mindfulness exercises like deep breathing or meditation. Mindfulness reduces stress, improves focus, enhances emotional regulation, and boosts overall well-being. Use a meditation app or follow guided sessions online and choose a consistent time each day for your practice, such as right after waking up, before bed, or even during one of your breaks at work. Habit number 9. Join a local sports or fitness group. Getting involved in a community activity like a running club, cycling group, or yoga class is a fun way to stay active and meet new people. Look for groups that meet outdoors to enjoy fresh air and nature. The social aspect can keep you motivated and committed. Joining a fitness group provides social support and makes exercise more enjoyable. Search online or ask friends for recommendations and choose a group that meets your fitness level and interests. Habit number 10. Explore outdoor adventures. Make fitness fun by incorporating activities like hiking, kayaking, or paddleboarding into your routine. These adventures provide great workouts and allow you to connect with nature. Outdoor adventures provide excellent workouts, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Plan in advance and set specific dates for your adventures. For instance, plan a day hike or a weekend at the lake and invite friends or family to join you for added fun and motivation. There you have it, 10 easy habits for a healthier you and a better planet. Let me know in the comments below, which habit will you try first? And be sure to check out our next video, packed with tips and insights to help you live a healthier and more eco-friendly life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and always take care of yourself and our beautiful planet.